Hey everybody, I am off to Stansted Airport to see what it's like there. I haven't been there. I researched this road which you can park pretty well. Rather than have to take a public transport, it'd be nice to be able to just drive and park up. And hopefully it'll be all good. So let's see what we can catch. Alright, well, I'll see you there. Looks like Ryanair seems to be a theme. I'm sure you don't like this fence, but what can you do? Maybe next time I'll bring like a step ladder or something. Right there, the second one. There we go, it's Ryanair. You guessed it. So we have our first international here. I think. No, it might not be. It's not that big. Sun Express. Oh, it's certainly sunny today. Alright, it's a bit of time before the next plane lands or take off. I'll just show you, this is a road called Belmar Road. And look, there's no restrictions, look at that. It's just a normal, nice road. This is where I parked, just here. No messing around with paying for anything or worried you're going to get a ticket. Just simple, park there, lovely jubby. Ryanair this time, what is it? Jet 2. No. Ryanair again. There it is, look at that. Beautiful. That's a 747. Look at that. That's a bloody massive plane. Oh my god. Just wait, just hang on in there, you'll see how I take off. I don't care how long it takes. We've got no time limit. Just look at that. And this Ryanair taking off. Wherever it is. There it is. Oh, landed. That's taken off. Anyway, my main focus really is that. Bloody hell. Got a treat for you, everyone. That is indeed a Boeing 747. Just got to wait for it to taxi around and that will be taken off. It's not a passenger obviously, but it's cargo, but I didn't even think I'd be catching that today. Something different for a change. There he's going. It's Boeing 747. Wow, it's huge. Truly amazing. Boeing 747. Absolutely amazing. Look at that. Queen of the skies. And we're back to Ryanair. Find myself a better way I can sort of almost clear the fence. I think I found it for the bloody 747 takeoff. I was about to, but I wouldn't have be able to get the shot. Yeah, it's better. Saves taking until now. Alright, thanks for watching everyone. That's the end of the video. I was going to try and go to another viewing location for maybe another set of videos, but couldn't really get my phone to get any internet signal at the time. So next time I'll be more prepared, hopefully be a bit longer, but did get the Boeing 747. I am very, very pleased about that. I really wasn't expecting that. Matter of hoping for a bit more variation other than the Ryanair planes, but it's my first time there, so if you like what you see, please hit the like button and subscribe, because I'll be doing more of this. I may be at London City Airport tomorrow. I haven't decided yet, but I think I might. Alright, yeah, thanks for watching. Thank you very much. But unfortunately, I didn't get there in time for a 747. Otherwise, I would have missed the shot completely, or would have been like, it would have looked half-assed. There's no way I could have missed that 747, otherwise that'd be really disappointing. But when I hear next time, if no one's cleaned it, I'll go for that bit, maybe get a small step ladder, maybe get even higher, totally clear that fence. Alright. Well, for that last Ryanair plane taking off, I was standing on that piece sticking out there, which made a difference, actually made the shot a little bit better, but that's the bit I was kind of running to with the 747. On the 5th of April we'd take off from here to go to Hungary, which would be another interesting time away holiday. Different kind of videos, but might be able to get some stuff at Budapest Airport. Don't know what that's like, but we'll see.